Hi friends, just a short video to show the motor out of a Royal talking machine. This is a outside horn Columbia client machine. Looks just like a standard talking machine, except it's not original, but I don't think it's original anyway. It has a normal size spindle. What's puzzling is that it doesn't actually attach. So I machined this bit of aluminum with some set screws and a rubber washer so that it would stay. Otherwise, I just wanted to show the motor. The spring, it's really small. It's the same out of a Heinemann portable. It's 13 foot by an inch by 60 thou thick. But with changing the spring, cleaning everything up, it runs like a champ. But using this at a music festival might be kind of difficult. You know, that little tiny spring, winding it up, getting to play one song. So there's technology that we can use to make it better, faster, stronger. So I designed this guy. It's the same diameter, and it's intended to fit inside the hole of the case, and then the spindle that you saw before, I machined another piece of aluminum so that it snugly fits on this just the same. Coming up with something simple for the motor speed control was a little more laborious, but I was hoping to have something that mimicked the original, but there's only so many hours in a day. So what I did was I used a pulse width modulator and a 100 RPM gear motor. So it's a 3000 RPM motor with a gearbox, gears it down to 100 RPM, but with the pulse width modulator, you can set it to whatever speed you like. So I tried to do a little bit to clean up the wiring as much as possible, and provisions to run it off of a battery, or it can also be powered off of a AC to 12 volt DC power supply. And quick demo of how it works. There's a little piece of neoprene foam here to provide consistent resistance against the speed adjustment wheel, which is also the on-off, to keep things simple. With a 10-inch platter and a 10-inch disc, this sticks out by about half of an inch. And the asterisk between the Royal, that sticking out indicates that it's in the off position, and there's these two little notches that I put so that there's a tactile feel when it's at about 78 RPM. So let's fire it up. So that's about 78 RPM. Sure, the motor makes some noise, but this is a wind-up, and I don't think it'll be heard over the surface noise anyway. So here's the design. Very simple. There's a piece of 1/8 inch thick aluminum that I used just to make sure that the weight was going to be supported, and a little bit of neoprene as not to chafe the wood. I rendered all of this in CAD, and if anybody out there with a standard talking machine or similar would like the files, just leave me a comment, send me a message. I'd be happy to share them with you. So, thanks for watching.